People with ADHD are often working in multiple directions in their minds simultaneously, so they're not proceeding in a linear way. Most of the neurotypical world functions according to organizational systems that prioritize by time and neurotypical importance, right? And so an ADHD person is really at a disadvantage because their mind works differently. So they perceive experiences and tasks differently. One of my favorite ways to observe this is when an ADHD person tells a story. Now, this isn't always the case, but it's often the case. So when my clients tell me stories about things that happen, they'll often start in the middle of the story. And over time, I've learned I can relate to this. I can understand how they tell stories, the connections that they make when we're talking, and I often will do the same thing. So their way of prioritizing and understanding experiences is not linear. Now, we need to understand one another, right? So neurotypical people need to understand how neurodivergent minds work, and neurodivergent minds need to understand how neurotypical minds work. And this way we can relate to one another and we can get along better. It should not be that the neurotypical world, the way the neurotypical world works is the way that the ADHD mind has to conform to in order to be healthy and in order to be okay.